guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing a bike horn I got, like a electric bike bell with like a button connects to the horn. So yeah, let's open it up. I got it for like only 10 bucks. I think it's a Chinese thing because those Chinese lettering, but those English words, I don't know, probably American English, I don't know. That's how it looks like. The instruction menu. Ooh, it's plastic. Yeah. Pretty cool. Why is it plastic? Does it need batteries? I think it does. What kind of batteries does it take? I'll be back when I get the batteries in. Put the batteries in and I tested it out and it was actually pretty loud. I like that sound. Let's put it on.
A jak to przyspałeś, ty?
Okay, I got it to work. So I did it, attached it like that to my mountain bike. And then the thing right there. Pretty cool. I'll do a test drive. So yeah, test drive coming up. Hold the sound. So this is a pretty good product for 10 bucks. Pretty loud. If there's a lot of people in the way on bike paths, you can use it. It's pretty easy and pretty cool. Let's do the geese now.